This is the alternative virtual assembly for the 17th of December. A chill is felt in the school today, not a pupil to be seen. Some are in self-isolation because of COVID-19. We're trying hard to keep you safe within this place. Gotta sanitize and cover face. Wipe down your desks and spray the chairs, and be careful coming down the stairs. Must keep things clean because we know. And so it's one way, it's one way. I said it all before. It's one way, it's one way. The signs are on the floor. Here I stand, and here I say, keep your face mask on. It's not a chin warmer anyway. Merry Christmas.